I'm leaving for a solo camp out. I'm going to meet a friend at the beach, but the weather forecast looks a little bit iffy. It's supposed to be really windy tonight and tomorrow, and then rain the day that we come home. Here it is, Faria Beach. I guess I'll cook inside. It's so convenient, and the ocean is right outside my back door. The wind is picking up as the sun goes down. Good morning. It was really windy last night. You can still hear the wind whistling. The camper rocked a lot, so I had a hard time sleeping. It's really chilly and windy out this morning, but it's fun to watch the waves. I took a little walk, and I think I'll go back in the camper where it's warmer. I like watching the seagulls. Back in the warmth of the camper, and I can watch the waves through the window. It rained last night and it's pretty cold this morning. And a rainbow. Then just when it was time to leave, the weather turned beautiful.